Are you desperate to get to know how to download YouTube videos? Today, I'll show you how to do it. First of all, click on your profile picture at the upper right corner. Then, click on Purchases and Memberships. Now, click on Learn More here on YouTube Premium. So with YouTube Premium, you can download YouTube videos and you will never see a YouTube ad again. So YouTube Premium is a YouTube Music and YouTube ad-free. You can try it for free by 1 month, then you start to pay a month value. With YouTube Premium, you can watch videos uninterrupted by ads while using other apps or when the screen is locked. You can save videos for when you really need them. You can download the YouTube Music Premium app and listen without interruptions. YouTube Premium is ad-free, so you can enjoy watching YouTube uninterrupted by ads whenever you see in your profile, on your mobile device, desktop, or enabled TV. YouTube Premium works with download and go technology, so you can save videos for when you're low on data or can get online. YouTube Premium have an option that is called Background Play. You can play your videos uninterrupted in the background, even when you open another app. And with YouTube Premium, you can access the YouTube Music Premium and easily explore the world of music ad-free, offline, and with the screen locked. It's available on mobile and desktop. So with your YouTube Premium account activated, you can go on any video and download it just by clicking on this button right here. Here you can choose if you want the standard quality or the high quality. If you still don't know any question about this, if you still have any question about this matter, comment below and we will help you. Leave a like on the video and subscribe for many other content about social media to help your life. Bye!